Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to know who responded in Google Forms. Google Forms allows you to easily collect responses from participants, but sometimes you may want to know who filled out your form. This is particularly important for events, surveys, applications, or quizzes, where you need to track responses and associate them with the specific individuals. Fortunately, Google Forms offers several ways to track and identify respondents. By leveraging the built-in features and some additional settings, you can easily know who responded to your form. And in this video tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of knowing who responded in Google Forms step by step. So let's follow these steps. The first step is to collect email addresses automatically. Now when creating your form, now go to forms.google.com. Now we're gonna choose either to create a new blank form or choose an already existing one. We're gonna choose an already existing one. Now here, go to the settings tab and toggle on collect emails, collect email addresses. Let's see here, let's look for it. Let's turn off this option right here. Go to the responses section and make sure you verified this option right here that says collect email addresses. Change it from do not collect to responders input or verified. Now this will automatically record the email address of each respondent and allow you to know exactly who has responded. The second step is to use Google Sign-In. Now if you're using a Google Workspace or a Google account-based system, you can make the form requires a Google Sign-In. This way, each user must sign in before completing the form and their identity is automatically recorded in the respondent's data. Third step is to manually ask for identification. Now, if email collection isn't enabled, you can add a question like what is your name or please enter your ID number. This approach allows the respondents to self-identify, although it's not as secure as email-based identification. You can write a question asking them for their ID. As for the fourth step, you view responses in Google Sheets by going to Responses tab in your form and click the Google Sheets icon to link your form to a Sheets. Click on Create. Now in the linked Google Sheets, you'll find a column with all the email addresses if enabled or names if manually requested alongside their answers. And as for the fifth and final step, you can analyze responses by going to Google Sheets, and you can filter responses by email or name to see who responded and their specific answers. You can also use a built-in data analysis tool in Sheets to gain insights into your respondents. And that's it for today's tutorial. Knowing who responded to your Google Forms is crucial for many purposes, such as tracking events, attendees, verifying quiz participants, or ensuring the authenticity of survey results. By enabling email collections, using Google Sign-ins, or asking for identification in the form, you can easily identify the individuals who submitted their responses. With these features, tracking and managing responses becomes seamless and efficient, making your form process both organized and secure. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.